Hello students, in this video we will work out some integrals using trigonometric substitution. Now we have some standard trigonometric substitutions, like if we have a expression like this, a square minus x square or root a square minus x square, we put x is equal to a cos theta or x is equal to a sin theta. If we put x is equal to a sin theta, we get a square minus a square sin square theta, which is a square cos square theta. We have some meaningful expression. Okay, root a square cos square theta is a cos theta. Okay, if we have a expression like this, a square plus x square or root a square plus x square, we put x is equal to either a tan theta or a cot theta. ठीक है ना, कुछ मीनिंगफुल एक्सप्रेशन बनेगा. If we put x is equal to a cos theta, we get a square plus a square tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So expression becomes a square secant square theta, square root of which is a secant theta. तो obvious है ये substitution. ठीक है ना. If we have expression like this, x square minus a square or root x square minus a square, we put x is equal to a secant theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. If we choose x is equal to a secant theta, then we have here a square secant square theta minus a square, which is a square tan square theta, because secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. तो जिस तरह का हमारे पास ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी है उसके हिसाब से हम यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन चूज करते हैं. ठीक है. देन वी हैव सम टिपिकल एक्सप्रेशंस लाइक रूट ए माइनस एक्स ओवर ए प्लस एक्स और रूट ए प्लस एक्स ओवर ए माइनस एक्स. ओके. देन वी पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए कॉस 2 थीटा. a cos 2 theta or a cos theta. Generally we choose a cos 2 theta. Okay. What happens when we put here x is equal to a cos 2 theta? We get 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is tan square theta. Root tan square theta is tan theta. ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? We will have here cot theta. Then we have this expression x minus alpha upon beta minus x or root x minus alpha multiplied by beta minus x. This is most typical expression for substitution. Here we put x is equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta or alpha sin square theta plus beta cos square theta. Now let's work out some problems based on these ideas. Let's evaluate this. We have expression root 1 minus x square. So we put x is equal to sin theta or cos theta. Let's put x is equal to sin theta. Then we have theta is equal to sin inverse x. This is possible. This is defined if theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That means theta belongs to first and fourth quadrants where cosine function is positive. Okay. So when we put here x is equal to sin theta, we get root cos square theta, and root cos square theta is cos theta because cos theta is positive in first and fourth quadrants. Okay, so we have here 1 upon cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta, and dx is cos theta d theta. Okay, cos theta gets cancelled out. Okay, and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So we have here 1 upon 2 secant square theta by 2. Okay, it's simple. Integration is tan theta by 2 divided by 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2 gets cancelled out. So we get tan theta by 2 plus constant c. Now we have to write the answer in the form of function x. कैसे लाएंगे x के फॉर्म में फंक्शन? We can write like this: tan theta by 2 is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, so we have here sin theta upon 2 cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now sin theta is x, okay, and cos theta is root 1 minus x square. So we have x upon 1 plus root 1 minus x square plus constant c. ठीक है ना, कितना सिंपल हो रहा है ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन से. Let's try next question then. Let's evaluate these two integrals. First one, integrand is 1 upon 1 plus x square whole power 3 upon 2. We have expression 1 plus x square, so we put x is equal to tan theta. ठीक है ना, or we can put x is equal to cot theta. Let's use x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Theta belongs to first and fourth quadrants. Okay, put x is equal to tan theta. We get 1 upon tan square theta plus 1 power 3 upon 2. Okay, and dx is second square theta d theta. Okay, so we put the value. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta is second square theta. Second square theta power 3 upon 2 is second cube theta. Okay, so we have finally here cos theta. ठीक है ना, integration is sin theta plus constant c. Now we have to put the value of sin theta in the form of variable x. We have tan theta is equal to x. Okay, so we have this triangle, tan theta is equal to x upon 1. Hypotenuse will be root 1 plus x square. So sin theta is x upon root 1 plus x square. So we have here x upon root 1 plus x square plus constant c. ठीक है. Now let's try this one. Now here also we have expression 1 plus x square. Okay, so we put x is equal to tan theta. Dx will be second square theta d theta. Theta is tan inverse x, where theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so this integral changes to this one. We have root tan square theta plus 1 upon tan power 4 theta multiplied by dx is second square theta d theta. Okay, now 1 plus tan square theta is second square theta, and root second square theta is second theta. In fact, root second square theta is modulus of second theta, but we write second theta because theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 first and fourth quadrants, where second theta is positive. Okay, so we have here second cube theta upon tan power 4 theta. ये आएगा ना. Okay, now changes to sin and cos. We have cos theta upon sin power 4 theta. ये आएगा ना. Okay, cos theta is derivative of sin theta. Okay, so we have here sin power minus 4 theta multiplied by derivative of sin theta. Okay, integration will be sin theta power minus 3 upon minus 3 plus constant c. This is equal to minus 1 upon 3 sin cube theta plus constant c. Okay, now we have to write the answer in the form of variable x. We have tan theta is equal to x. So once again we have this triangle. Okay, hypotenuse is root 1 plus x square. So sin theta is equal to x upon root 1 plus x square. Put the value of sin theta. We get minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 plus x square power 3 upon 2 divided by x cube plus constant c. ठीक है. Okay, now we have this one very interesting integral. We have integrand 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square. क्या कर सकते हैं? Simplify करते हैं. We can write this expression as x plus 1 whole square plus 1. ठीक है, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So we have square of this expression in denominator. Okay. Now here we have x plus 1 in place of x. यहाँ पे x की जगह पे क्या है हमारे पास? x plus 1 है. So we put x plus 1 is equal to tan theta. थोड़ा बहुत तो हमें एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. We have to rewrite the expression so that we can use substitution. Okay. So we have here 1 upon tan square theta plus 1 whole square. Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. So we have secant power 4 theta. Okay. And dx is secant square theta d theta. Okay. Secant square theta gets cancelled out. So we have in numerator cos square theta. Okay. And cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. Okay. So integration will be 1 upon 2 multiplied by theta plus sine 2 theta upon 2 plus constant c. Now we have to get the answer in the form of variable x. We have tan theta is equal to x plus 1. So theta is equal to tan inverse x plus 1. Okay. And we can write sine 2 theta in the form of function tan theta. What is sine 2 theta? It is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. होता है ना formula ये? Okay, so we get 1 upon 2 multiplied by tan inverse of x plus 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, where tan theta is x plus 1. So we have here x plus 1 upon 1 plus square of x plus 1. This plus constant c. ठीक है. तो शुरुआत में ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा मुश्किल लग सकता है क्योंकि इस एक्सप्रेशन को इस तरह से लिखना है, ये आइडिया आना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. Hope you like this video. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.